Guys, this is Rumi again. Welcome to my channel, Rumi's channel. And today I am introducing my daughter, my cutie pie, Akshita. Today she will tell you about the trees, importance of trees in today's contest.
Trees are the best friend and life on earth is impossible without trees. They are the real sources of our health as well as wealth because they give us oxygen, cool air, fruits, vegetables, medicines, houses, shadow, etc. Trees have countless benefits like trees consume all the carbon dioxide, refresh air from toxic gases and prevent air pollution. They save us from droughts, floods, cyclones, etc. If we destroy trees and forests, we will be destroying our healthy environment required for our life. Hence, it is necessary to save trees. We should plant more and more trees to lead a peaceful life. Thank you.
So guys, please plant more and more trees to get fresh oxygen and keep indoor plants as much as possible. If you like this video, please do share my video, like my video and subscribe my video. Thank you.